Welcome to Home of Math. Factorization of algebraic expression. Today we are going to start last part of 5.1 exercise. Number 29. Here is 5 root 5 x square plus 20x plus 3 root 5. So here this one and this one, if we multiply, we will get 5 root 5 times 3 root 5. So 5 and 3 times means 15 times this root 5 and root 5, it will become only 5. So 15 times 5, it will be 75. Look, 75 we have to make 20 by 2 number adding, and once we multiply it will become 75. So 75 divided 5, it will become 15. Look, 5 plus 15, it will be 20. So we can write like this: 5 root 5 x square plus 15x plus 5x plus 3 root 5. Okay, now we have to make common. Look, here is 5 root 5 x square and here is 15x. So what can we take common? If we can take common here 5x, right? 5x. So here is a root 5, and once we take common from x square, x will be remain. So root 5x plus, and here is only 3, because 15 divide 5, it means 3, and x divide x is 1. Now look, from here we can just take root 5. So look, 5 means root 5 times root 5. Once we divide root 5, so only root 5 will be balanced. So here is root 5 and here is x plus, and this root 5 divide this root 5, so only 3. Now look, here is root 5x plus 3 and here is root 5x plus 3. So we can take common this one, root 5x plus 3, and here is 5x plus root 5. This is our answer. Okay, so number 29 done. Now number 30. Number 30, here is 2x square plus 3 root 5x plus 5. So first this 2 and this 5 will become 10 once we multiply. Then we can divide by 2. So here is 5. Look, here is root 5 in middle portion. So this 5 we can divide like root 5 and root 5. We know root 5 times root 5 will become 5. Now look, 2x square and here is 3 root 5. So we can write like this: 2 root 5x plus root 5x. Okay, here is 2 root 5 and 1 root 5. So it will become, once we add, it will become 3 root 5, and here is x and 5. Now we can take common 2x. So here is x plus root 5. Okay, and here we can take common root 5. So here is x plus, once we divide 5 by root 5, so root 5 will be answer. So our answer is x plus root 5 times 2x plus root 5. Okay, this is our answer. So have you any question? Please put on your question in the description or comments box. Sorry, the comments box. So number 30 done. So this is the last video, therefore we have to do 3 math more. Number 13, here is 9 times 2a minus b whole square minus 4 times 2a minus b and minus 13. this one we can take something like, let 2a minus b equals to x, because this one will convert this math very easily, and once we simplify this one we can easily calculate. So 2a minus b equals to x. Now we can write, so 9x square, because 9 is a 9 and 2a minus b is a ax and whole square, so x square, minus 4x minus 13. Okay, now look, this 9 and 13, once we multiply it will become 117, right? So here is minus 4x, so we can write like this, 9x square minus 13x plus 9x minus 13, because 9 and 13 once we multiply it will become 117, but 13 minus 13 and plus 9 it will become minus 4. So in here we can take common x, so 9x minus 13, and here is plus 1, so again 9x minus 13. Then we can take common 9x minus 13, so here is x plus 1. Now we put x equals to, we know 2a minus 4b, so we can write like this, 9, here instead of x we can write 2a minus b, then minus 13, again we can write, here is 2a minus b, then plus 1 we can write, because 2a minus b equals to 13. So here is 9 times 2, it's a 18a minus 9b minus 13, and here 2a minus b plus 1. This is our answer. Okay, so number 31 done. Number 32, here is 7 times x minus 2y whole square minus 25 times x minus 2y plus 13. So similar 31, let x minus 2y equals to 8 equals to a. So we can write 7a square minus 25a plus 12, right? Now look, this 7 and 12 once we multiply it will become 84. So divide 2 it will become 42, again divide 2 it will become 21. So our target to make this one minus 25. So here minus 21 and minus 4 it will become minus 25. Similar thing, 21 times 4 it will be 84 as per middle term factor. So we can write like this, 7a square minus 21a minus 4a plus 12, right? Then we can take common 7a, so here is a minus 3, and here we can take common minus 4, so here is a minus 3. So again we can take common a minus 3, a minus 3, so here is 7a minus 4. Okay, now x minus 2a, x minus 2y equals to a, so we can put this value in here. So a, we can write x minus 2y, and here is minus 3, and here 7a means x minus 2y and minus 4. So we can just a side note, x minus 2y equals to a. Okay, now x minus 2y minus 3 and 7x minus 14y minus 28. Okay, and this is our answer. If you have any question, just put on your comments in the comments box. So number 32 done. Now we will start our last math, number 13. Number 13, here is 2 times x plus y whole square minus 9 times x plus y minus 5. So here is also same, number 31 and 32. Let x plus y equals to a. So we can write 2a square minus 9a minus 5. Just instead of x plus y we put a. Okay, now look, here is 2 and here is 5, so it will become 2 times 5, 10. 10 means what? 10 times 1 also 10. So we can write like this, 2a square minus 10a plus a minus 5. Minus 10a and plus a, it will become minus 9a. Okay, so we can common 2a. So here is a minus 5 and here common plus 1, again a minus 5. Okay, then here is a minus 5, a minus 5. So we can take common a minus 5, and then here is 2a plus 1. Now we return x plus y. So we can write x plus y minus 5 instead of a, and here is also 2x plus y plus 1. So here is x plus y minus 5 and 2x plus 2y plus 1. This is our answer. Long time you were watching this channel, and thank you very much being with me. Today we have completed number 13. So 1 to 33 has completed. Our book name was R.D.Sharma, and we had completed exercise 5.1. okay, so in description box you will get previous video if you want, and you should more practice at home. If you think this video are okay for you and it's helping you, therefore my request, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and suggest me how can I make more and more video for exam practice. Thank you.